Like man, wow, converted.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Hartman Adventures. Dre again, man, out on the water again. This time we out here a Sunday morning. Have about a 2-hour window to do some fishing. So I bring some lures and I plan for probably just do lure fishing, but I have some live bait just the same. But if we go use the live bait them. But I mainly I go do some lure fishing this morning. It's a short time for fishing, so just I'll try to get it done. In the easiest way possible. I don't know if I'm going to hook up anything yet, but I know for sure we have some very big fish around here, very big barra. You can check out the last video, you will see 15 and a half pound barra where we hook up right around here, so Uncle Bertie hooked him up. So we have some very big fish around here, so let's see what we can get this morning. But it's Mother's Day weekend as well, so happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. And even if you're just playing a mother role in somebody's life, happy Mother's Day to you as well. Big shout out to my mommy as well. Mommy, happy Mother's Day to you. I wanted to come and look for you this weekend, but I didn't get the chance to. I'm going to come pretty soon though. So you know, we're out here again with the family. Ellie and wifey back there. Say hi to YouTube, guys.
Hey guys.
Say good morning, Ellie.
Good morning.
Say good morning. You're not talking? Yeah, so we're out here again, guys, with the family. So until we get a hookup or something, stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we got a whole heap of adventure in a 2-hour window we have for fishing this morning, so let's see if we can get going. Some pop-up action first thing in the morning. First lure I try this morning is the popper. Show you guys this popper. That's the popper. So that's the first one I'm showing this morning. Oh, your lure. Why if it's soon have to gone, my boy? Why if you have to work? I want to tell you, today, Bertie. You see today? Me catch some mullet, you see me, boy? Run a new spot I tell you about yesterday. What I find yesterday, I find one new spot yesterday. Cause guess what? No? I drive past in a Bertie. I drive past and I watch the water, and when I watch the water, I see about a million, I see jump up out of the water. I say, no sir, I want to run down bait fish up. I mean, I know say bait fish did this, Bertie. So, when I do it, when I think that now, I tap and put on my glass and go over there. A pair mullet and shad me see. The school them, where them are running up, big. So I throw my net yesterday and I catch some. And I go back same place this morning and catch some more mullet. But guess what now? I forgot my bucket cover. So I have to throw back most of them. Oh, you lure a hookup? Yeah. Huh? Alright guys, so not getting anything on the popper, so I'm going to try switching off this lure and putting on something different. Not sure exactly which one I'm going to use yet, but let's see. Alright guys, so this is the new lure I'm using. It's a Dr. Fish. It's one of the newer ones that I got or bought. This lure swims about 0.5 meters below the surface, so let's see if it brings any more luck.
Don't make me get there. In there.
Where?
In there, man. Ready, nobody, yo. How do you ready?
So we're catching some sun flea, guys. Sun flea. These are snapper and pompano food. Pompano love these.
For me, you know, like I say, who are Uncle Bertie they do? Yeah. Monster one run us all like that go. Monster one run us all like that. See man, Jerry, so one there. So one there, Jerry. See there, yes. You must grab him not Jerry. See there. You must grab him Jerry. Right now, I part of a cooking. Swim. Yeah. Alright, no mind. Let's just swim here. Good shit. Lord, you make me stand there.
Oh, no! Bertie, me catch a monster. Me not even have to dash him to catch him.
What? Yeah, egg, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, egg, see there? You see, all him know me no trouble him, me left him.
No, me want
He's
it.
soft. You see, when you have egg, he's soft, he go come off for you. Me feel him. Me feel him. What
I'm tough, see me.
him tough, see him, him good. Him good.
Wanna drop him in?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man. See there, see there, bamboo there. Tell him, man, stop pulling him, no, rush him, pull him. Pull him.
Just reel him, man. What a Mojarra fat. I'm Mojarra, innit? Hold up your fish. 2 pound.
You see that? You see that? No rushing, man, just left it.
That's the biggest Mojarra that me ever see.
What the fuck I tell them if you come do? They come and 4 of them out there.
Biggest Mojarra me ever see. You go, babes.
You're so proud of me. Thank you, baby. Mwah.
So we've been working the beach from as far as the camera can pick up, but way beyond that, around the bend up there, we've been working the beach. Come all the way down. I got 1 strike on a lure, but didn't hook up. Just strike it 1 time. So pretty much I moved down the beach down to the other corner. I'm not sure I'm going past that, but once I get down there, I shall turn on back the video. It's a little bit too shallow in here, so I'm not casting here. I'm gonna go beyond here and see if I can cast again. Uncle Bertie with a long jaw. Yes, man. Uncle Bertie now and play with them. Some lure action today, guys. See him? But now keep him though, I'll throw him back. You keep him, Uncle Bertie? Oh, you have to keep him then. Guys, he was hooked in the eye, so we have to keep this one, unfortunately. Yes guys, this is it for today. Lure fishing on a Sunday. Me and Uncle Bertie pretty much did a work from up the line, go all the way down the line. Unfortunately, when we reached down the line and I hook up this barra, the battery was dead on the camera and I only brought the 1 camera. Uncle Bertie got a long jaw as well, but none of that was captured on camera. I think I got some footage on my phone because I had my phone on me. So that's it for today. Just we were doing some lure action. Wifey got a nice Mojarra. I'm going to show you. Look at the size of this compared to my hand. That's about 12 inches Mojarra. So that's why it's cashed for today. And Uncle Bertie
It's mommy's fish.
did get a octopus. So wasn't a bad Sunday out, so we come, we enjoy ourselves. See the one that we do damage. It's a doctor fish. Uncle Bertie gave me the rod last night. It was missing a guide, so I replaced the guide on it. And wasn't a bad debut for this rod. Big up Uncle Bertie. What you mean? So yeah, we out again, Uncle Bertie, eh?
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, look at myself.
Alright. So until in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. See you in the other one.